I just started recording as soon as you bit into that. We got that hotspot life. My video didn't upload last night, so we're literally uploading in the car. I did get a hotspot so that we could go ahead and do daily vlogs in December, so I'm excited about that. Also, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Bro, our town is so busy right now. That's Costco over there. You can't see it, but it's full. Getting a little late start to the day. Kind of a hectic morning. Ooh, I got poo-poo on my lens. What the? We are, it's still a lot of crap on the ground, but we're like in the final, this is really the final like stuff that we really need to get put on. So we have like the coolant passages, the headers need to go back on, and the alternator. 1 second. While True just goes ham on the sound system. There's not a lot of labor left in this to make it good enough to go back into the Z. So I'm excited. We got a lot of good stuff today. Today's video is brought to you by Zeta. I've worked with these guys before, and they make some really awesome stuff. Oh my goodness. It's not just for trucks, just letting you guys know. Zeta is a nanotechnology company that makes additives to fix your car. And we've got a lot of really cool stuff that I'm gonna be using, some on the Z, some on my Lexus, some on my Evo. And before I show you guys, there is a huge discount. They're having a big Black Friday sale. So I want you guys to check out Zeta and get some good stuff for your car. First off, this is actually pretty cool. I've got a manual transmission revitalizant. Automix, it's a total flush for your engine, so it's a kind of revitalizant. You put it through and it just cleans all of the dookie out. Pretty much what we just did by hand, but without having to open the motor. Some more stuff as well. You've got metal conditioner. This stuff is really interesting. Essentially what it does, it has like a really interesting nanotechnology in it that coats your cylinder walls. It can actually fill in scratches like that, like kind of how it shows right there. So that's incredibly cool. So if you guys have any, smoking issues or anything like that, would you guys to try this out, I will go ahead and use this. I've got a multi-cleaner. This is mainly for the fuel system, so if I need to clean my injectors, that actually would be really, really awesome to be able to use. You just put this into your fuel tank, and you literally just let your car run for about 15 minutes or so, and it supposedly just kind of goes through and cleans your injectors. So that's kind of sweet. And then one more thing, I got to revitalize it for power steering. Yes, I got this for the Lexus because my power steering system is kind of dookie. This is kind of the same sort of nanotechnology thing that's going to allow my power steering rack a little more longevity because it does need to be rebuilt. So that's really awesome. I'll also update you guys in a couple days and let you guys know if it has done anything for me, but make sure you guys check out Zeta. They do have a huge sale again. It's a Black Friday special, so make sure you check them out. Big turbo Corvette. Oh, it smells good. Haha. This car's crazy. The doors are bolted shut. I really wanted to see you climb in this thing, but I missed it. Right now I'm doing coil packs, and these are the two that I have been missing, so I'm gonna put these on. All right. Hopefully my last use of silicone for a very long time. Beautiful. Look how pretty that looks, Ethan. Nice. Shit. Who this? Oh yeah! Okay, see? I love this car so much. Oh, for no reason whatsoever, this reminds me, November 6th, or January 6th. I don't know what that day means, but you can take it how you want. Yo! Driving the Skyline today, bro.
Having a conversation about January 6th?
No, definitely not talking about January 6th, you know what I mean? It's the same wing I have on my Lexus, except with cooler side pieces. Yo, this car is cool. And you ain't have to push it in here by yourself, dog. let me just help you real quick. All right, cool. It's almost ready. It's almost time, little Z. Almost time. Ready to get you back on the road, even though I drove you like 10 minutes before. I do want to say that as bummed as I could have been for buying as he that needed a fixed motor or a new motor, I'm actually stoked because this gave us a lot of experience and we had a lot of fun. Yeah, it was a little more pricey than we intended on, but you know, it's kind of irreplaceable. It was our first time, like mine and Victoria's time, opening up a motor and seeing how it's done and trying to get hands-on with it. And man, I have to tell you what, we're stoked about it. And now I'm excited that we're gonna have a car that's gonna be just like ready to go, hopefully, and ready to rip after 200 to 300 miles of break-in. But for now, it's cherry picking time, boys.
Gotta get those cherries for Thanksgiving.
Get them cherries. About time to put on the world's largest fidget spinner. Doesn't spin on my finger very well, but you guys get the point. One grippy boy coming right up. Let's go. This clutch is gonna be about as forgiving as a woman on her period. Color's so dope. Too bad I'm never gonna see it again.
Right.
We're getting a lot closer.
Looking nice now. Oh, the header's already in our way. Funny enough. Look at that, you manifested that, bro.
Who could have possibly predicted this outcome?
Oh man.
It feels like we're catching on something.
Yeah, we're already on the ramp over here.
Tint number 2.
1.5.
Casey ended up getting some of the exhaust off. It was kind of in the way, so now you can actually get it poked straight into the trans.
Should be good.
Needs to be moved a little that way. Got it?
We're no accident. What the?
Oh yeah. Alright, this was fighting us a lot. We ended up had to kind of jimmy one of the motor mounts in, and then somehow Casey used his magic and it's now in. It's officially in. We found all the bolts. We've got the motor mounts in, the trans is connected, all that kind of stuff, but we're not going to be starting it. What I am going to go ahead and do, since we have some fluids in there, I am going to go ahead and show you guys real quick the my little atomic metal conditioner here. This stuff is really sick and it's super easy to use.
It's not easy to get out of the box.
Yeah. There we go. In order to use this stuff though, it has to be at operating temperature. It has to be warm or it's not as effective. So I can't unfortunately pour it in today, but it's very easy. All you got to do is that after the car's warm. You run it for about 10-15 minutes. And it's supposed to restore your cylinder walls. So ideally, like if you have some scratches, if you're burning oil or something like that, and you think it might be piston rings or a scored cylinder wall, all you got to do is pour it in. I can do the multi-cleaner though. No?
Like it's hard to get.
Hey, the multi-cleaner is super easy. All you gotta do is pour it into the gas tank and run the car for another 10-15 minutes. So while all this is happening, I'm gonna have a multi-cleaner going and I'm gonna have this. And so all you gotta do, put a little more fuel in and let it run. Zeta has a ton of stuff. I highly advise you to check them out. They have a huge sale going on right now. I got it figured out. They have something for all vehicle applications. You want to support this channel, make sure you check out the link that I have for you in the description. Anyways, super psyched that this is in. The next time we see this car is going to be running. Per clutch instructions, we have to drive this about 200 to 300 miles in the city because it is a big 6-puck unsprung and it really needs to get bedded in. That iron does not like to be kicked around and stuff until it's bedded. So we're gonna have to do a break-in oil change. Then it should be ready to rip. I've still got I've already got some things in the work for this. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. A huge shout out. Ethan's not here, but as always, such a huge thanks to him. Make sure you guys follow their Instagram and check out their YouTube channel, Trackstar Media Works and Trackstar Motor Works. Hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you not tomorrow because I'm taking a day off, but we'll be back here on Friday, so you'll get a new video soon. Can't wait to see it run. Huh?
Buy a sweater.
Oh yeah.
Sweaters are live tomorrow as well. Thank you guys again for watching. Love you all. Peace out. See you sometime soon whenever I make the next video.